Okay guys, so this is how to properly take out the screws. You want to start with the screw gun. Just a nice, easy, small bit. You want to take out the smallest screws. You want to start with them. Yep, that one's out. Just a few will work. Yep, that one came out easy. Okay. That looks good.
Okay, so after you get the screws out, you gotta take the back off somehow. So the best way to do that is you kind of just
Well, next part is you want to dismantle the insides. See, we got some things like this. They just don't come out too easy, so you got to use just a little bit bigger than a screwdriver. That should have dismantled them. Well,
okay, so basically, you gotta get to the part where the screen connects to all the cords. So you gotta rip off a little bit more of the back. And you see these cords here? Well, these cords don't matter. And here's the motherboard. Basically, it needs to be replaced, so it doesn't matter. So we have to replace the motherboard. You can see that it is very messed up. So we have to take it all out and wait for our replacement to come. We do not have that today, so we're going to take everything apart.
okay. Next, we're going to get into the screen. That's where the repairs need to be. See, we got some scratches here on the inside. They said it was all broken. So, first of all, you got to get the screen off to replace it. I mean, you really got to hit it. It's a tough son of a gun. There we go. Got that piece out. That doesn't do much. Now we'll let him come in here, finish it off with a nice little bow and arrow shot, because this sucker's junk.
So now you got to get the rest of the screen off.
And as you can see, you get a quarter out of that.
Oh my God. Magical.
High school with Brian, Michael.
You can watch all your favorite shows and anything you'd like to on this Fix TV.